All right, now we're in domain 5.4, data backup and concepts. Backups are about protecting your most valuable treasures, making sure nothing is lost no matter what happens. Think of it this way. File backups are copies of your family photo albums. System backups are like backing up the entire house with all heirlooms inside. Restoring data is like rebuilding the house after a flood using those saved copies. Now keep in mind where you store backups matters. Local backup equals photos on a USB or memory card in a drawer. External drive equals a big chest of keepsakes in the basement. SD card equals pocket-sized essentials you carry around. Cloud storage equals uploading family photos to Google Photos, safe even if the house burns down. Okay, now in Game of Thrones, file and system backups are like copies of scrolls hidden in Winterfell or Dragonstone. Restoring data is when Sam brings Jon proof from old records. Local storage is a knight's journal or a family's genealogy book. Now, other backups take different forms. A flash drive is like Arya's coins she received in the earlier seasons, a small key with huge meaning. An external drive is the Iron Bank's ledgers and bravos, kept safely outside Westeros. An SD card is like a small scroll fragments carrying critical info. In cloud storage, that's Bran, the three-eyed raven, backing up everything in Westeros' network. Okay, so summarizing domain 5, data and database fundamentals. Data is like family heirlooms and memories, priceless, unique, and powerful when preserved. A database is your family's organized library or a photo album system, structured, searchable, and reliable. Structures range from a clean family tree to a messy box of photos. Order matters. And backups are copies of your family treasures, kept safe, locally, or in the cloud, ready to restore if disaster strikes. All right, so tying this back to the Game of Thrones, data is knowledge and power, like the Citadel, the Iron Bank, or Varys Little Birds. Databases are archives and family trees, organized and guarded. Structures compare relational houses with chaotic rumors. Backups are Bran, ravens, and hidden scrolls that preserve history. Okay, and that is a wrap for Domain 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get ready for Domain 6, where we'll step into the world of security, training day style. See you then.